What's up, guys? Today we're on board a 2024 245 dual console by Sailfish. Really awesome boat. It's actually one of my top picks, especially with the combination of electronics versus power and layout you got on this boat. So starting at the back, you got a 300 on here. This boat's gonna scream. You see it here in the black cowling, nice, clean setup and everything back there. But this boat is gonna cook, all right? Plenty of space down back to walk around. You have rod holders and a live well on the transom there, but plenty of seating in here too. So Sailfish really set this up so you kind of really get the best of both worlds between that the saltwater kind of entertainer's boat and the freshwater bow rider. So once you deploy all these seats here, you really have a whole wraparound bench in the back, which is really nice. You got cup holders for everybody, and then you have cup holders that double as rod holders for when you're fishing. Really good combination of use for everything there. Fender clips up and down the gunnels, so that's nice and easy. And then as you move forward, you got more rocket launchers. So you got space for some light jackets up here. You got a GoPro mount, and you also got your Oxford speakers coming down from the hardtop there. You can see as you just kind of look through this boat, great layout, good windshield height, good gunnel height. Hardtop is nice and clean with the white piping there. At the helm, you have Garmin electronics, as well as an Icon VHF and a Mercury vessel view, which will show you all your engine diagnostics with the Fusion head unit there. Again, that diamond stitch that Sailfish stepped up to on their upholstery. Port side, you have this multi-position port lounger, storage underneath with a cooler in the front, a huge ski locker down the middle. We just got this one in, so let's see what's in there. Nothing, perfect. So you got rod storage up and down there. That does have a locking hinge on it, so you can tuck it away, you know, and put all your nice valuable rods downstairs, as well as good lips there and drainage before it gets into the locker. In this port side head area here, it's actually really big. It's really nice. You got a sink there. You got the Dometic vacuum flush there. You also will have nice porcelain countertop and a nice head there. Nice heavy duty hinges. You can hear how that shuts. It shuts like an AMG, guys. That's really nice. Moving up to the bow here, you have your windlass. You have USB ports to both sides, as well as speakers and two cup holders, table mount, and storage all underneath here. Collapsible cleats, and the best part, the argument saver, the windlass. All right, guys. Listen, this one's in stock. We just got it in. We just got this, the 272 unwrapped. If you want to come down and take a look at either of these boats, you get questions, new, used, pre-owned, brokerage, just give us a call. Give us a call. We're at 10 Hutchinson Drive. If you want to give me a call, it's 781-635-8684. My name's Adam again over at MarineMax. We got plenty of boats in stock, guys. Let's get you on the water, enjoy the last couple months of summer, and well, help you get on the water again next spring. See you soon.